Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's Krina Panchal, and in today's video I will show you how I paint this beautiful peacock with watercolor. So let's get started. So here I have sketched this peacock on 300 GSM paper. Now I will show you how I paint. So first I have used a wet brush on the neck part and then applying color, which will help my color move easily and merge with different colors. So first I'm using blue and then I'll be adding little turquoise green for this beautiful coloration in the neck part. Once my base is dry, I will paint my second layer. For this I'll be using a small brush like 000 to add more details like small feathers and details of an eye. For this white highlight, I'm using acrylic color because watercolor will merge into each other and it will not be visible once it's dry. So for the wings and the whole body, I'm giving a very light base color. Then have a second layer once that dries. As you can see, I'm using ink blue and turquoise in different parts to have that beautiful double color effect in the feathers. And you can see I'm keeping some parts white because that will highlight the shape of the feathers. Then I will also add little black color to show some shadow which will make these feathers look more realistic. one of the toughest part is to paint these long feathers. As much as they are beautiful, they are also very tricky, and especially you are working with watercolor because it's all about creating depth and highlight. So what I'll do is first I'll add light green and then slowly move to darker green, and at some parts to show more depth I will also add some black where I've kept some empty places. Now I'm using some white acrylic color strokes where I want to add some highlight to the feathers. So this is the final look. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching this video.